So, as a small and upcoming YouTuber, you have been recording back to back on your channel, but you're not getting the engagement that you need to grow the channel. Like you are disappointed with the engagement that you are getting. Come here. For how long is this going to go on? I've been putting in all my best. I've been doing everything I'm supposed to do. Do you think you're actually doing everything you're supposed to do? Come. Oh no, this YouTube is not for me. It's not for me. Like, see everything I'm doing, despite not getting the engagement that I'm supposed to get. No, 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 no. I'm giving up. I'm giving up on this. It's not for me. For real? Have you not heard that? On the street of YouTube, giving up is never an option. So if you know you are going to give up, why do you start in the first place? But anyways, you have started already, and that's why I'm here for you. Hello everyone, hello beautiful family. Welcome back to this channel, and in case you are watching for the first time, please make sure you just subscribe to this channel. I would really appreciate that, and please like and drop your opinion at the comment section. It is absolutely free and it is all welcome. So today I just have one or two words with the new YouTubers, small channels that are yet to get monetized. The channel is still small and is yet to get monetized, and you've been putting in your best. Yeah, you see, on this channel, expect nothing but the facts. Because on this channel, I'm going to be taking you through experience. I'm not just going to say this based on one or two reviews or anything like that. I want to teach you based on experience what you need as a new YouTuber to grow your channel. You see, growing your channel is at the palm of your hands. Growing your channel depends on your mindset. Growing your channel depends on the love that you have for your audience. If you would take your time to watch the previous video that I dropped about growing your channels, I believe you will gain one or two things from the video. And today I just want to continue from where I stopped the last time. So as a YouTuber, as a small YouTube channel owner, there are some basics you need to follow. Like, you don't just record videos and upload your videos, even though YouTube does not even care about the background of your video. Do you know that YouTube does not care about your appearance as a content creator or as a YouTuber? YouTube doesn't care about those things. What YouTube care about is your creativity. What they care about is what do you have to offer the community that is beneficial to the community, which is why the button that do appear whenever you want to upload your video, it will ask you to specify your audience. Is this made for kids or not? So you have to know whether the video you wanted to post will be okay for kids and will not be harmful for kids or not. So those options that YouTube shows you whenever you want to upload your videos, they are options you need to take into consideration, and you need to take with, you don't take it with levity hand, you take it with your wisdom that, okay, this thing I'm dropping, is it for kids? What do we call kids? From the age of 0 to 17 years, those are kids. But from 18 years upward, those are the people that we call adults. So you have to know whether the video you are dropping or the content that you are dropping will be beneficial for kids from the age of 0 to 17, and it will not affect their mental health, or it will not affect whatever they are doing in their daily life. One very important thing you have to specify before you upload your video. And recently YouTube has been adding this option of altered content. They ask you whether the content you are posting said someone is doing something that they does not do. All those kind of content that you just made up, like a made up story. Like, is this person doing something? Is this person doing the exact thing that you are saying in the video? So you have to specify whether there is other characters that are unaware that you are even capturing them in the videos or not. That is what the option is useful for. And this, let me give you these third tips. After uploading your videos, you see, when you go back to the YouTube studio to edit your videos and you want to add your tags, you have to add your category. When you are adding your category, we have a lot of options at the category section, be it entertainment, education, how to, pets and animals, beauty, a lot of options are there. So you are the one to tell us which category your content belongs to. Do not expect YouTube to put it for you. Comedy is there, So what you are uploading, is it comedy? If you are uploading comedy, do not add this to the category of entertainment. You are confusing your traffic. And YouTube will recommend your video based on the category that you input. Those are some of the buttons that you have to press and you have to make right. You have to make sure you put them right after uploading your content. Uploading videos on YouTube is not that hard. It is very easy. But the important thing is, which category does your video belong to? This is one of the things that we are getting wrong on YouTube, which is actually confusing our traffic. You see, if your content is on the right category, you have the right hashtag attached to it, and the views is still not encouraging, you know what? Calm down. Sometimes YouTube acts, they do their own. Sometimes you be like, why is YouTube not recommending my videos? Your time is coming. Do you get it? Your time is coming. So stop being deceived by those big channels that they are telling you. This channel, as you can see, is not even up to 1K subscribers when it got monetized. So that is how easy it is. If you want to get your channel monetized, it doesn't require you having a lot of crowd. Don't you know that having YouTube subscribers, organic YouTube subscribers, is the best thing that would ever happen to any YouTubers? It is better than you using your money to buy subscribers to your channel, or you using money to get traffic to your channels. YouTube knows what they are doing. This is computer age. Everything is being calculated from computer, reviews from human like me and you. So you are not like, if you think you can cheat on YouTube, you can cheat to get viewers, you can cheat to get you are just they play. Let me use that word, just they play. So as you are watching this video, I hope you are grabbing one or two things. So if there is anything you want me to make video about, please feel free to drop it at the comment section, and I'll gladly honor your request, as I am always here for you, for you back to back. And in case you are coming across this channel for the first time and you are here to subscribe, this is the right time for you to click the subscription